In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a strike through in Docusign. If you've been navigating through Docusign and stumbled upon the need to indicate changes or emphasize text that should be ignored, then strike throughs are a great tool to use. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily apply this feature to your documents. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Docusign homepage. It's here where you'll begin your journey to creating a strike through. Once you're on the site, you'll see a login button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on that will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and log in with your account details. Once logged in, you're welcome to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for document management. For our task, you need to then navigate towards the templates section. Selecting a template is key because it will dictate the format and layout of your document, which may greatly affect how and where you'll be applying the strike through. With your chosen template to proceed, you'll typically find an option to add details to your document. This can be recipient information or any specific instructions related to the document's usage. Adding these details is crucial as it ensures clarity and accuracy for whoever will be interacting with the document. After inputting all the necessary details, click on the Next button. This will guide you towards the section of Docusign where the intricate work of document preparation and editing begins. Now, as we move forward, your mission is to locate the Pre-fill Tools option. Successfully clicking here provides you with a suite of useful editing functions. Among these tools, you will select the Line option. This tool is versatile and can be utilized to perform the strike-through function that we're focusing on today. Once you've selected the Line tool, you'll want to visually cross out the specified text by drawing a line through the text you aim to strike out. This effectively communicates to viewers or recipients of the document that the text is no longer pertinent. Consider aligning it properly so that it looks neat and professional on the document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use the strike-through feature in Docusign. This tool can be particularly useful in contracts or any formal documents where changes or deletions need to be clearly marked. By using this feature, you're ensuring your documents convey precise, unambiguous information to any viewers, making your work cleaner and your communications more effective. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more tips and tricks for mastering Docusign.